In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy someone's profile link on Roblox mobile. And if you're using your smartphone, your iPhone, your Android, right, and you love to copy someone's profile link, let's say your friends or your family, anybody, open up your Chrome browser, right? So this is our browser. This is our browser currently. So let's say if you want to copy, I want to copy my friend's profile link, right? Say Frank. I'm going to click on view profile, right? I'm going to wait for this to open. Right, so once this has opened now, if you want to copy Frank's profile link, just hold on to this, right? You're going to see the copy, right? Click on the copy and copy the person's profile link. If you go to a new browser and paste this now, right, you see that this is actually his profile link, right? So just paste it here. So this is it. This is how you can copy someone's profile link on mobile. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.